Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the hardware you need. You must act now. Open inventory and confirm you have NV goggles or a weapon NV attachment, plus 2 charged batteries. Once done, equip the NV item into the correct slot, helmet, or weapon mount, and bind the toggle key to something reachable. Doing this first ensures you can switch instantly in Extract. Make sure to discard bulky low-value items only if you need free space, because carrying batteries and the NV unit is priority for night engagements. Next, configure and validate functionality before committing to combat. Bind the toggle to a comfortable key, then enter a quiet sector and activate NV to test brightness, contrast, and field of view. Adjust settings to reduce tunnel vision. Once tested, observe battery drain for 1 minute so you understand runtime. Make micro-adjustments, lower brightness to extend life, or widen FOV for situational awareness. This step prevents surprises and lets you practice quick on-off flicks that conserve energy while keeping sight advantage. To finish, enter the raid with a clear plan. Only toggle NV when needed, approaching dark corridors or when you hear movement, because NV narrows peripheral vision and drains power fast. Move deliberately, use cover, and use quick peeks. This reduces exposure and avoids detection. When batteries run low, find a brief safe moment to swap in a spare. If NV fails, check the toggle keybind and battery charge first. If still broken, re-equip the unit or restart the session to clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.